Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to repost Instagram Reels. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then click on Reels option and then choose any Reels. Okay, click on share icon, and Instagram this option is not available. Just try another way. Tap on copy link and tap on post and history, then click on this option and paste this link and just tap on done and to repost Instagram Reels in history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.